Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and I share my English speaking journey here. So if you are also learning English and going through the same phase as me, then this channel inspires you a lot and helps you to learn English with me. So today I'm going to talk about at what point in my life did I realize that I should learn English. Okay. So coming from a Bengali background, like I grew up in West Bengal and I am from a Bengali family. So for that reason, my whole schooling was in Bengali medium. Okay. And there's all subject taught in Bengali, okay, Bengali language, except English. And there are two teachers in English language. One teacher who used to taught English in Bengali language, and the another teacher used to taught English in English language. And unfortunately, the teacher who used to taught English in Bengali language, he got like 4 to 5 classes in a week. And another teacher who used to taught English as in English language, he got only 2 classes per week. Okay, so maybe I was in class 7 or 8. One day, I noticed him. Okay, the teacher who used to taught in English. Okay, I noticed him the day before that day. I never noticed him like that way, okay, in that way. So I noticed him that he was so amazing in his age, okay. In that age he can speak so fluently. He was so confident. I was like, how? Okay. And I was like, if he can speak English that fluent, what I can't? Okay, why I can't? What I can't? I said what I can't. Okay, so why I can't do this? So that day motivates me a lot. Okay, something just hit my mind, and I motivated in few seconds. Okay, and the day after, the day after that day, I was like, okay, I will start from today. Like, I will do everything. I will learn English. I will speak like him, the teacher. Okay. And I was so motivated. And after through 3 to 4 days, the motivation disappears. Okay. Like जैसे होता है. The motivation fully disappears. Okay, ignore. Okay. After 3 to 4 days, the motivation disappears. Okay, fine. And then I never thought about to learn, thought like any day about English learning. Okay, and I completed my matric from that school. So after completing matric, my parents decided to move me in another school, which is in the city. Okay, in Asansol city. So my parents decided that, and I moved on to another school in city, and I start going there. Okay, let me wipe my sweat. Okay, so I start going in that school, and after 1 month maybe, when everything starts smoothly, like the proper teaching, because first start नहीं होता है, ठीक है. Sorry. So after start the like a whole teaching system smoothly, I realized that I was so behind. Okay, there the students of that school, just because the school was in city, is in city, they are so confident. They were so confident, and they were like, and I was like, I am nothing in front of them, and I felt so scared. Okay, so whenever I went to them, I was so scared that how can I talk to them, how can I manage, they can speak English so fluently. So like inspired of that things, I tried a lot to make friends. Okay, but I didn't. Okay, and after that, you want to know that what I did. So after that, I stopped going school. Okay, I like delayed. I skipped classes. I start skipped classes, and I stopped going school. Okay, for 2 years. For 2 years, I just used to go for exams and special days when teachers called me and like scolded me. Then I went for maybe 2 to 3 days in a week, in just 1 week. Then after that week, I disappeared. Okay, so uh, like this, I completed my 12 also. Okay, like I was able to understand English, but I was not able to speak English. So for that reason, I like procrastinate so much. Okay, so after completing my 12th exam, I got admission in college. Okay, and there is also the same case. Okay, there was another level of fear. I was so scared, and I was like, no, I can't even came to this college because I can't deal with these peoples, these like students. They are so confident. How can I adjust myself with them? And I only had 2 to 3 friends, okay, in that college, and I used to sit with them, and they are also same level like me as me, okay, and I was like, okay, I will only came to give exam because that like 11 12 days in my school, that stuck in my mind that it's possible. If you want to procrastinate, if you want to delay something, that's possible, that's work. Okay, so I was like, let's not come, let's skip college, and just just I'm going to come to just attend exams and nothing else. Then I will get admission in tuitions, and then that's how I can pass. Okay, pass the exam. So there's no need to come in the college because that really like scared me. Okay, so I decided that, and then I was like, okay, let's not come to the college, and I stopped coming college. I stopped going college also. Okay, and I start skipping like classes. Okay, and like this, I what was that? I completed my graduation like this, just to uh, okay, so I already told you that I can understand English, I can write English. So, like this, I completed my graduation, but still, I am not able to speak in English. Okay, guys, let me wipe. So, I'm not able to speak English. And then I enrolled in teachers' training. And then I realized that English is important, and you, in some point in life, at some point in life, you have to learn this language. You have to. Okay. And there in teachers training college, I realized that every single subject was in English. Okay, every single subject teachers used to taught only in English and no other language. They provide notes in just English language and nothing. If you ask them to like describe in other language, they will scold you in front of whole class that you are going to be a teacher, you can't understand English like this. So that thing forces me to learn English. Okay, so uh, then in that time I learned few things. Okay, and I start learning few things, and as I told you before that I can write, I can like understand. So that's enough to like pass exams, because there's no need to, if you don't go to college, like I'm not recommend you to do that, but if you don't go college, then uh, there's no need to talk to others. Okay, you only give exams and pass, and that was in my mind since class 11. So I did that simply, and after completing my teachers training, okay, after completing my teachers training, then I was like, no, it's been 7 years. I took 7 years to take the first step. Okay, and in 2020 November 2025, I decided that I have to do this. Okay, and then in that day, maybe first November in 2025, I start learning English. I started. Okay, and I start like shadowing every single day. I make a routine, a whole routine for English practice, and whole day I practice English. Whole day I was practicing English since November 2025. Okay, and after 2 months, again I like motivations disappears, and not for the reason that I don't want to, like I procrastinate or I delayed learning English. There's some like valuable reason. Okay, what can I say? There's such a valuable few reasons why I can't like stop practicing, because of some health issues, or not mine, like one of my family member. Okay, for 1 month, one and a half months, okay, I stopped learning English. Then again I start, and in November 2025 I started no, the date was maybe 2, okay, 2nd November, I started posting on Instagram, and I took 30 days English speaking challenge. And you can see in my Instagram account, you can see my YouTube shorts, that I took a challenge of 30 days English speaking challenge, and that 30 days literally changed my whole life. That literally becomes my one habit that really like push me so hard. Okay, and that habit builds something like which I dreamed about for years. Okay, so I completed that challenge, and after completed the challenge, I realized that yeah, I already built the habit to learn English. Okay, and after that I like still today I practice every single day. I woke up early in the morning, and after waking up I like do yoga and meditations also, and then I start reading books, English books. Then I read vocabularies and idioms and like phrases, everything. Okay, so I work on my English. Okay, and I am proud of that. But why I share my this story? Okay, why I share this? Just because there are so many people in this world were thinking that oh my god, I'm so late, how can I start now? I delayed for like years, for months. Okay, and I'm so late, how can I start? So for that reason, my peoples, my family, I just want to say one thing, that I took 7 years to like to start something. Okay, to start learning, and 7 years is not a like small number. So I took 7 years, but I don't want you to took that much time. So that's why I made this video. I took 7 years, but I want you to start right now and today. So that's why I made this video. मैं ये सेंटेंस इंग्लिश में बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ, इसलिए मैं हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ कि अगर मैं पहले वो दिन, जिस दिन मैं सोची थी इन स्कूल 7 और 8 क्लास कि मैं स्टार्ट करूँगी इंग्लिश लर्निंग, अगर मैं उस दिन स्टार्ट कर ली होती तो मैं आज कहाँ होती, आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं. इसलिए मैं ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ ताकि यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ doing something, the value of like being persistent, the value of taking the first step. So please guys, take your first step, and please let me know in the comments that how many people like took their first step today after watching this video. Okay, that's all for today guys. Take your first step and start practicing. If you found this video helpful, please do like and share with your one friend who want to learn English and who procrastinate a lot. And please subscribe this channel so that I can make so many videos like this. And really when someone subscribe me, it really motivates me a lot. Okay, so please subscribe to motivate me. And I just want to request you that please like be a member of this family. And that's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.